This is a Owerre Ezukala cave. You can see it here. So guys, this is the cave we are talking about. So very big, very big, and it can contain at least 10,000 persons. It has the up, has the down, has then the basement. So let's check it out. So this is the parlor, like the parlor, but there's a bigger one. This is a parlor. This is the big one. That's that. You can see this is like a real staircase and all of those things. Okay. So and then has double door. This is dual entrance. You can enter from there. So you want to go to the top of the rock. That's where you follow. Oh boy. This place will take you to the top. Go on here again. Kitchen. That's nothing I need to tell you guys. This rock formed a lot of things. They have the toilet, kitchen, bathroom, even formed a horseshoe. You wanna check it out? Let's go check it out. Wow. So if you go through that place, you'll find out that there is a toilet in there. There's a toilet in there, bedroom in there, horseshoe and all of that. You'll find them there. Then through this place is a bedroom. Inside here is a bedroom. You see everything that looks like bed, everything is in there. Is a bedroom. Now during the war, we were told during the war that there is the people use tools, so many kind of tools. And then let's check the tools. The tools are right here. You see the gun, you see the drivers and their bicycles and everything they use during the war. You find them right here. So take it easy, take it easy. So you find those things right here. So, but if you have the mind to creep in, so what it is, you check it out the top. Check the top first. You see if you find anything up there. Guys, it's something like a screwdriver, right? Something like a screw or spanner. Spanner. Like a spanner out there. Spanner. That's just that. Wow. See a lot of things up there. So if you creep into this one, you find the gun and other things in there. There is a space in there. You can walk through there, that place, and then that's that. So let's check out the next one. So if you want to check out the basement is over there. You go to the basement. But this top will lead you to the straight source of the waterfall. It's like a big swimming pool up there. And that is what retains this place. That makes it very cool, you know. So and this is the emergency exit. But this exit can actually take us to something very important. Let's check out something. So right here. So this is the place. Remember, I said this place will lead you to a lot of things are in here. So many other. A lot of things are in here. Areas. Can you actually creep in through this place? Yes, you can creep in here, but it has a height. You may not be able to get hold of something that will, if you fall out, hit your head on the rock. Your local government is your case is sorry. So this is what can you clip in? All right. Okay. Very interesting. It's a nice movement. In fact, we are here on a tour. It's an excursion. Very much interesting. Okay, the jungle boy.
Yeah, all your levels on water then before run.
So guys, this guy. So we are here. We're done. So let's go get ready. Like I said before, we came here to shoot an epic movie. So epic has to do with something that happened in centuries ago. So that's what we're about to hear. We are about to portray this day. So I will pray that God Almighty should keep us safe as we go through this jungle. When they say the value of shadow of death, when they say we go through the value of shadow of death, this is how it looks like. There are too many evil here, but I know the environment we are. Yeah, this is very slippery. So we're gonna take it easy. So guys, look at see where we are going to. I see that. We believe we are on a safe mode. These are shrubs, herbs, and all. So these are things we go through. Yeah. So a lot of people came with us.